Hello, everyone. The DJ headphone market is so diverse in terms of budget, style, quality, and specs that it can be overwhelming at first. All product links are available in the description. You can check them out for the best prices. Let's start. 1. Pioneer DJ HDJ-Q 1B-T. If you want a versatile pair of headphones, the Pioneer DJ HDJ-Q 1B-T can serve as both a wired DJ headphone and a wireless Bluetooth headphone. Unlike the wired-only Sennheiser HD25, you can listen wirelessly on your phone on your way to the gig, and then simply plug in the coiled analog cable once you get there. Their sound is quite bass-heavy, focusing on everything from the low rumble of sub-bass synths to the boom of a kick drum. 2. Gemini DJX 500 available in black or silver. The Gemini DJX 500 is a strong choice for a beginner's DJ headphone set, offering decent sound and a professional look at a low price. The lightweight, on-ear design makes it a comfortable option for those who aren't used to wearing headphones for long periods of time. 3. Audio-Technica AUT THM50X. I ordered this updated model because I have had the ATHM50 Audio-Technica for the longest time. I am not sure what difference the addition of the X will make. And now that I have used it, I am still not sure if the headphone cables can be used as they are, straight, coiled, long, or short, except for the extra cables that come in the box. But the truth is that the M50 was a great headphone for DJs, and these M50X are great headphones for DJs too. 4. Sennheiser HD25 Headphones. The Sennheiser HD25 headphones have become the industry standard for DJs around the world. You won't find a "what DJ headphones to buy" discussion that doesn't include these headphones at least once. The reason these headphones are on the minds of DJs, both hobbyist and professional, around the world is because they hit the mark in almost every way a DJ cares about. They're comfortable and lightweight, durable enough to withstand the rigors of live use, and they sound great. Best of all, they don't come with a ridiculous price tag. 5. AEEI TMA2. DJ Danish brand AEEEE is channeling a bit of Scandinavian design sensibility with their TMA2 range. The real appeal of this range is that you can design your dream setup yourself. Everything from driver type to headband and cable can be customized here to suit your requirements. However, if you're not keen on the process of choosing your own, there are models available as presets. 6. Westone AM Pro X 10 in-ear monitors. IEMS are great at completely isolating you from the outside world. They are traditionally used by musicians to hear what their fellow performers are doing, and to help them stay in sync with each other in time. And while the Weston Audio AM Pro X10 IEMS do this brilliantly, they deserve a spot on our list thanks to their passive ambiance feature. At the end, wireless headphones are the worst choice for DJs. Wireless connections have a relatively high latency compared to wired connections. That's it for today's rundown. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. See you in the next one.